Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am D.on't. Welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title below, I will be doing a 7-month hair growth. Check.
From a D.on't, everything Chris. Make sure you no miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All the vibes. I didn't be this. D.on't share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All the vibes. You need it. It's the D.on't.
So, them here, I'm gonna put in them braids here a month ago. I'm gonna cut them last night. Right now, the way them look, them not even cut evenly, because I just did not give. You're at to ask. So today, right now, I'm gonna pull them out and then I'm gonna wash my hair, pull it out, and I'm gonna see how my hair look after it pull out, and then I'm gonna comb it out, then I'm gonna wash it, then I'm gonna see how it look, and I'm gonna show you the day when I first cut it to present. So let's see how far my hair is.
Right, I don't know why my girl face have to look like that when she a pull the hair. Alright, about now, the Empress there, I pull out her nice clean. I mean, no, it's not clean, it's dirty hair. Well, she's very entertained by some YouTubers, I understand. But right now, she a, what she a do? Right now, I'm not even see the signs of the comb there, but right now, she patiently pulling out the hair. Well, she's very entertained, I understand.
It's not even a year since you start YouTube, you understand? Yes, some of the smart and all the one because I'm not like.
So she a watch Dolly from Image and Dolly. Yeah. No, No, I don't know why you do it, so. Like you fight it, why you fight the ear like that? Anyways, she's still being entertained. They don't know the thing. You understand? While she a buffalo with the hairstyle, a dirty ear. Very dirty. You should be ashamed of yourself, you know. Yes, you should be ashamed. Yeah. Shame, man. Catch your dirt. Dirty ear. Yeah. You know, shame. Very dirty. Bad to bad. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, after me telling you say the girl ear dirty, she not nasty too. Look what she gonna do. Nasty like. You laugh. No, you laugh, but look here, I don't laugh after. Because I know enough how to do it too. Come on, go on like. So right about now, she there trim it up a little bit. I don't know why she never trim it up earlier. You understand? She feel like she have long hair. You did have long hair like one time. I don't know where you cut it off, quote unquote. You see me? So, yeah, good girl, I trim it up nice and clean and thing before. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. That what? Trim more, man. Trim up more. Yeah. Wow. Nothing in them, man. I'm tell you, go on like you have long hair. Anyways.
Alright guys. Woo! Wow. So it's raining currently. So I'm gonna finish half of my hair. See? I'm gonna leave it over here so now. So just girl just a fin. When am I gonna stop? Girl just a fin. When am I gonna stop? Oh girl, I know it's you. Oh girl, I know it's you. One day I wanna marry you. Yeah. The man's up was stink and dust.
But they tell them already still.
Dirty. I see from the braids and at the end, the root of the braid. Yeah, man. You know how some people do it, you know? They have it in braid all along. Yeah. And sometimes, them in the sun and the sun pelt the scalp and the scent just rise up and just pink. No? So, me go ask my mother if it smell my hair. She gonna tell me say it smell like oil. And it's alright. I tell the guys, me not tell no lie. The scent of the hair don't smell like no oily thing. And if me I smell it, that means that it needs to come out. Of course, I wash it, you know. Me mix shampoo water and put it in my ear, try it in my ear and I go some. But you know that I not fully wash. And that was like last week. I do that like last week. I said no sir. Me, I have to pull out this ear. Now go on next week.
Hello, my name is Shawana. Hello. Move from around there. Did I tell you to come and interfere with this thing? Huh? And touch it, sir. But I want to try on it. Look here, look a girl. Try on it? Tell your cousin to fly the bonnet. Cause when I finish around here, we will be leaving. Now put your behind down on the chair. Sorry about that, my friends. I'm a neighbor daughter. She kind of touches and giddy, you understand? So, before me even continue, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't just watch the video like you don't know to share the love, you see me? Don't know, the Empress I pull out her hair right about now. She probably will have 2 or 3 things leave at her head back. You see me?
Okay, so my hair is finally out. I'm looking like a dried rasta at this moment of time. Can I see the dirt as such a dirt. Anyways, so I'm gonna clean up the floor because the floor look like my ear. Jesus, I missed you. I missed you, dry head, short hair, slave. Just at the back of my ears. Alright, you're a mess. We're done now, we're done. So what I'm gonna do now, I can't tell. My head dirty, guys. I cannot tell how far it is. It probably look just like the same time when I do my hair. The length probably look like the same. But I doubt it because it's been a month now, so it's gonna be a little bit taller. And thing. Gosh, the dirt, man, not green. Anyways, I go wash my hair. So only just follow me. This cannot be me alone. Instant wash. Alright guys, so because the rain don't fall on outside cool and thing, I say I'm gonna wash my hair outside rather than inside. So I have the hose and the shampoo ready. Watch out. Alright. I have shampoo and the conditioner. So in the conditioner, I mix aloe vera with jerry oil, jerry redding protein conditioner, and a little bit of castor oil. What's that? Yeah, castor oil. I'm not gonna say olive oil, castor oil. So see here, look like dirt, but it's good dirt. So I'm gonna wash my hair now.
Wash your hair, wash your hair, wash your dirty hair. Wash your dirty hair. Put the water in your head. Wash your dirty hair. Wash your dirty hair. Rinse it out and squeeze the water out. Put the shampoo in your hair, rub it in your head. Rub it in your head. Put the shampoo in your hand, rub it in your head. Rub it in your head. Wash your hair. Cool. Wash your dirty hair. Put the water in your hair. Wash your dirty hair. Wash your dirty hair. Rinse out the dirt. Rinse it out. Put the shampoo in your head. Scrub it in your head. Wash your dirty hair. Put the bottle in the pan and wash your dirty hair. Wash your dirty hair. Ooh, wash your dirty hair. Wash your dirty hair. Oh, wash your dirty hair. Wash your dirty hair. Oh.
Right now, my concern. Why? Cause every time me put my hand on my ear like so, I be here. So I'm gonna put the conditioner in now and let it rest. Can't waste none. Tastes like going in my mouth. So I'm gonna let this stay in my hair for like 5 minutes to 10, and
Flash it. Flash it. Flash it. Hey, flash it.
Alright guys, so I'm back. Again. So what I'm gonna do now, I just finished a bathe, wash my hair and things. So I am going to, we're gonna test this hair growth together. I did my big chop in February, Ash Wednesday, I think it was the 25th. So August the 25th will be 7 months, right? So estimated 7 months hair growth check. So right about now, as you can see, why the comb though? I forget the comb. I forget the comb. May I come back? What may I say is, alright, so what I was saying is that February the 25th of 2020 I did my big chop, and now we're in, today actually is August the 21st, and you're seeing this August the 20. Let me see if I can match up that data quick and fast. Friday 23, 23rd or the 24th. Yeah, when I watch it. So what I'm say is we're gonna blow dry my hair so we can test this hair growth together. So the can tire them are show up now, yeah. Born negro start to rise. Cause you know my hair can fool anybody. Why I say so? Because when it wet up, pretty you know man. Yeah, wettings, curls and all. Dry. But I love my hair still, I don't know. I love my hair. So I believe it's dried. May not 100% like right throughness, so. So this is, let me just part. That's one part, one next part. Right. No, it's not part good. The way I do. Let you know what I do. 1 point, my ear couldn't catch up. So let's see. Hey. What is near? I want a ponytail. No sir, I want to be. My ear catch up. My ear catch up, guys. I mean, I'm proud. I'm proud of my ear. It can catch up and it make a little. What is? So I'm gonna catch up the next one now. I'm excited. My ear can catch up. And mayonnaise. And mustard. Yeah. I'm going for this. Yeah. mad hairstyle I do. But yeah guys, my hair, this compared to where it was, it's big up the products them I use, and you can use it too if you'd like. I use for conditioning, I use the Big Bad Bowl aloe vera, I use egg white, I use aloe vera, egg white, Geraldine, with a little something nice small but castor oil, yeah, and regular shampoo. Yeah, and for the castor oil, I moisturize my hair every I'm not gonna lie, I don't moisturize it every time, but yeah, me moisturize it with castor oil. Castor oil is the shit. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in on my 7-month hair growth done B. I mean, I feel excited. I'm gonna come grease my ear now, massage it in, and so give it a little loving, give the scalp some loving, like so. Yeah, and I'm out. Bye. A joke. I know some outro go. It's done B. Buzzing out.